Now Hazrat Ali radiallahu anh said that Abu Bakr and Umar are the greatest of this ummah. He declared in the presence of the whole congregation that anyone who puts me above them is a slanderer. I will give him the stick of slander. This is fixed. Abdur Razak, the great scholar who is the author of this book Musannaf, who was the closest to Hazrat Ali, what does he say? I love Hazrat Ali very much, but Hazrat Ali says that Abu Bakr and Umar are superior to me. Now, since it would be slander against Hazrat Ali to love him so much and deny his words, and not to recognize those whom he considered superior to him as superior, it would be a slander against Hazrat Ali. Because it would harm and damage my love and respect for him, I declare and believe in the opinion of Hazrat Ali. Abu Bakr and Umar, may Allah be pleased with them, are the superiors of this ummah. This is what I call a true member of Al-Bayt, a true lover of Hazrat Ali. You will love Hazrat Ali and then you will turn away when you hear his words. And after that, Hazrat Ali did not want to say that. They frightened him or something like that. He pretended, he hid it. To be more precise, Hazrat Ali was a hypocrite. A hypocrite. He said this to you. He said that to me. Like Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, you will attribute cowardice and hypocrisy to the Lion of Allah. And then you'll be a supporter of Hazrat Ali. Get out of here. Who will believe you? Who are you fooling? Hazrat Ali, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, was very respectful to the three caliphs. He respected them very much. He held them in high esteem. May the pleasure of Allah be upon each of them. Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, pledged allegiance to all three caliphs. What does it mean to pledge allegiance? He promised to obey. He surrendered. He pledged allegiance with the consciousness that these people deserve to be obeyed and pledged allegiance to. Otherwise, you cannot force a Lion of Allah like Hazrat Ali to swear allegiance to something or somewhere. This is Hazrat Ali. Who are you talking about? The knowledge that Allah gave him, the wisdom that Allah gave him, the strength that Allah gave him, everyone accepts this. It is common agreement. He is superior to all of them in knowledge. I am the city of knowledge, and Ali is its gate, was said about him by our Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He has virtue in knowledge. Of course, virtue in one way, but not in every way. Does not require it. But there is such a superiority of knowledge. Of course, Hazrat Ali, blindly, without knowledge. I can go and pledge allegiance to Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman. Let me pledge allegiance too. Did he pledge allegiance so that we would not be separated from the herd, so that we would not be a troublemaker now? Hasha. He pledged allegiance to them with a consciousness, knowing that they were superior to him. Now you will claim that you follow Hazrat Ali, and on the other hand, you will not recognize and reject the three caliphs. You will even insult their companionship. If you deny the three caliphs and claim to follow Hazrat Ali, what is this? It is pure slander, a case without evidence, a lie. We can even say that not recognizing the three caliphs is not recognizing Hazrat Ali in the real sense. It is denying him. It is openly rejecting what? All these words of Hazrat Ali. He lived during the reign of the three caliphs. He was with them. That is, they lived in Medina, not in a separate place until then. Later he moved to Iraq. He was a resident of Medina. So he has all these sayings about the three caliphs. He has obedience to their congregations. He has power over their imamate. They have allegiance to their person. What is it to do with so many of his words, deeds, and actions? To reject them openly.